Hello, welcome back to another video. Today is the My Day 25 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. This eating plan is designed to help you reset your relationship with food, energize your body, and embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. I'm here to guide you through this journey. And remember, you can find all the details and the printable PDF of the plan in the description below. Let's dive into today's menu. Breakfast: 3 scrambled egg whites, 2 slices of whole grain bread. For the bread, choose 100 whole wheat, rye, oat, or gluten-free bread. 1/4 cup cooked spinach, 1/4 cup low-fat shredded cheese. Instructions: scramble the egg whites with a little salt and pepper. Toast the bread and top with spinach and cheese. If desired, you may add tomato, avocado, or other vegetables. Lunch: 1 to 2 cups lettuce, add ½ cup black beans. If using canned beans, make sure to rinse them thoroughly. 1/4 cup low-fat cheddar cheese and 1 to 3 of an avocado. For the dressing, 1 tablespoon lemon and vinegar. To prepare this, simply wash and chop the vegetables. Add the beans and cheese of your choice. For the dressing, mix lemon juice and vinegar in a small bowl. Pour the dressing over the salad and enjoy. By the way, if you are enjoying this content so far, please do me a favor and hit that like button. It will tell YouTube to share this video with more people and help them too. So, thank you. For today's snack, we have 24 unsalted almonds. Almonds are not only delicious, but they are also packed with nutrients and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied while providing you with healthy fats and protein. Now, let's move on to dinner. Grilled salmon or preferred fish, 5 ounces, ½ cup whole wheat couscous, 1 cup cauliflower mash, 1 cup grilled asparagus. For the cauliflower mash, you can boil or steam the cauliflower until tender. Then mash it with a little butter or olive oil and season with salt and pepper to taste. As for the grilled asparagus, simply wash and snap the asparagus into desired lengths. Grill them until tender crisp and drizzle with olive oil. Now regarding the salmon, preheat your oven's broiler. Place salmon in a baking dish. Season with salt and pepper and bake for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it's cooked through. Remember, cooking times may vary depending on the thickness of your salmon fillet. And there you have it, a complete day of healthy eating. Each meal is designed to provide you with a balance of nutrients to keep you energized and satisfied throughout the day. We focus on incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet. Remember, this eating plan is not just about counting calories or restricting yourself, but rather nourishing your body with the fuel it needs to thrive. It's about making sustainable changes that you can maintain over time. If you have any dietary restrictions or allergies, feel free to adjust the meals according to your needs. For example, if you're vegetarian, you can substitute tofu or tempeh for the fish and chicken. Just ensure you're getting enough protein from other sources. You can also swap out ingredients based on your preferences. Just make sure the substitutes are aligned with your health goals. We've almost reached the end of this 30-day journey. I'm incredibly proud of you for sticking with this plan and making positive changes to your diet. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your health and wellness goals. I know you can continue making healthier choices even after this 30-day plan. Feel free to use the principles and guidelines from this plan to create your own balanced and nutritious meals. And as always, if you have any questions or need support, don't hesitate to reach out. You can leave comments below, and I'll be there to help you. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a healthier you. Until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and keep making those positive choices.